Alright, here's my weekly outlook for this week. So what I'm actually expecting price to do for this week, so I can take trades on my profile account. I'm actually documenting on YouTube. But before then, let me talk about my last week weekly outlook, which was the 9th of March, which was on a Monday, to the 13th of March, which was on Friday. So I actually predicted that price will be bearish, but there's a daily fair value gap, and I expected price to retrace with the daily fair value gap and actually start selling. But look at what price did. Price sold for 4 days, which was this was Monday. Monday was bullish candle, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday was bearish. But guess what? I missed the trade. I missed the perfect entry. This is actually the daily. So that's that for EU. So last week also, you know what it means. I actually predicted that the dollar will be what, bullish also, and the dollar went. This was the last week level. I haven't even removed it. So I predicted that price should fill this fair value gap, but as you can see, the fair value gap wasn't filled, but price was bought. Price bought. So this week also, I still have a bearish continuation, a bearish sentiment, because if you look at the weekly um ended a strong bullish candle. So I'm expecting price to even sell all the way to this level. Yes, I'm expecting to sell all the way to this level. So, but what do I have for this week on EU? So there's a fair value gap here. So price can decide to retest. Monday, Tuesday can trade here for premium price for sales and then continue selling. So you can join my Telegram channel. I'll be sharing market insights as the week progresses. So for GJ, yeah, this is what I expected price to do last week on GJ. Look at my level. This was a buy side liquidity, and this a bullish order block. So I was actually expecting price to be bullish and clear this all through last week, but you can see I think this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was bullish, but I took a trade on my Profem, and on my 5K Profem account, I'm actually on minus 0.5%. So the trade I actually took by the course of this bullishness, it actually puts me in break even. So I'm actually in break even. I was able to take a trade Tuesday, and the trade ran all through Wednesday before I actually closed the trade. Yeah, when I saw some bearish movements, I actually just closed the trade, and now I'm actually on break even. So this week I'm actually expecting that I can get on some good trades and probably put my account in +1, +2% and thereabouts. I'm actually risking 0.5 on my Profem account. I'm not risking much. I don't want to risk 1%. So 0.5, risking 0.5, it will take me, I'll have to lose 20 times before I blow the account, and I'm not sure that is easy to lose. But honestly, for this week, I don't know what price want to do on GG until Monday and Tuesday, until I see Monday and Tuesday trading, because it's as if we want to have a change of character on GG. But if you look at the overall structure is bearish. Is bearish. But last week trading was meant to take this. So my weekly outlook for March 16 to March 20, which is on Friday. March 16 is on Monday and March 20 is on Friday, is that I'm seeing like a bullish and bearish. I'm seeing price being bullish, I'm seeing price being bearish. But currently now, let's say price wants to be bearish. This is what I'm looking at. This like this. I'm looking at this as a bearish order block. So if this is a bearish order block, so it will just be that price is actually, and this bearish order block actually overlaps a fair value gap. So it could be, I'm actually on the daily time frame. So it could be that price is just reacting off this bearish order block to continue selling. Is that clear? So now look at this. This is actually an order block. This is going to be the main order block. So price would actually do something like this Monday, Tuesday. Price can decide to also retrace into this order block. Yes, price can do something like this and then continue selling. That's for GG. Or price could just continue selling. Price could just continue selling. But I don't know. But I'll share weekly insights on my Telegram as the week progresses. But if you check the weekly If you check the weekly is actually bullish, but as times goes on, I don't really know for GJ, but for EU, I have a bullish sentiment. For the dollar, I have a bullish sentiment.